I'm Callie DeBlander Brigham, proud, independent Mary Kay sales director. I had the privilege of growing up in a Mary Kay home, and it really is a privilege. I was 14 years old when my mom took the giant leap to become a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant. And it really was at that moment that everything in our lives started to change, especially for my mom. I got to see her blossom. I got to see her grow. And even though that was really powerful, I still felt like I wanted to pave my own path. I'm a little bit of an overachiever, and that felt like an achievement, a next step to go to college and to graduate and to have a degree that I was proud of and to go out in the world and make a name for myself. And that's exactly what happened all along the way. My mom was cheering me on, and she gave me full permission to do that because she was living her dream, and she knew that the best gift you can give someone is to have them live their dream too. So there I was, living my dream, at least on the outside. But the reality was, on the inside, every single day was just chipping away at what I thought was this dream life. And I'll never forget the day that everything changed. I thought, if I don't change something, nothing's gonna change. I called my mom. It was my parents' wedding anniversary. And I asked her if today would be a good day for me to start my very own Mary Kay business. She cried. I cried. And I'm so thankful that with this Mary Kay opportunity, you can be you. And the best part is there's no exact specific person or way to get to where you want to be, to reach your goals. And I was able to go my own path and experience what leadership looks like in my own way, experience what the skills of this business look like in my own way. And I learned that when it was my turn to take the reins in my own business. I was able and am able to do it fully me and unapologetically me.